March 7th, kindergarten studies math with scavenger hunt.
Yay, they can use maps and travel around the world when they get older and know where they are.
Yay! On March 7th, 10th grade also has Shakespeare Film and Performance Day.
Woo! Let's go, 10th grade.
Want to see your performances?
Yeah, me too. I want to see them too.
On March 7th to 9th, the Model United Nations are at Tainan. Tainan! Let's go, okay?
On March 8th, we
CSL.
have CSL Day.
Christian Service Learning. Woo! On March 8th, it's the Half Day!
Yay!
It's my teachers.
Aww.
Also on March 8th,
It's T.
G.
G.
I. T because of Thursday, not of Friday.
Yeah, not on Friday. I'm sorry. It's not
I'm
a
sorry.
Friday.
And on March 14th, it's Pi Day.
Hi
Good
day.
March 14th,
3.14.
It's Pi Day. Oh yeah.
On March 13th, we have the submission for the
Shark review. That is due.
Do.
And on March 15th to 18th, the senior transition retreat is going. 4 days.
4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
On March 16th, the art contest submission are due.
Remember
to submit it.
And on March 16th, quarter 3.
Report card.
It's okay. We have good grades.
Yeah, we
Good
do.
grades.
Yeah.
On March 16th to 17th,
IASAS track meet at TAS. Whoa, let's go, Shark!
Run.
And on March 16th to 17th, the World Scholar Cup regional competition at KAS. Let's go, Sharks. We can do that.
We can do it.
And that does it for announcements. Let's get on with the show!
Random fact! I find it interesting that the word cologne rhymes with alone.
Welcome to our new segment called Tea Tasting Extravaganza. Right? Is that what we're calling it?
Yes, sir.
Tea Tasting Extravaganza. And today we are going to be trying 4 different kinds of bubble milk tea with half sugar and no ice. So we went around, we got this drink from 4 different tea stands that you know, that you love, some that you hate, and we're going to try them today in a blind taste test and see which is our favorite. All right, taste testers, come on in. All right. And for your first taste test is,
So you got one?
everyone gets a cup.
Oh, that's close.
All right.
Drink it out. I already want to finish it all.
The boba is very chewy.
Chewy boba, okay?
Yeah. Definitely.
Good stuff. Quality.
Too
sweet.
Let me see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's sweet.
Strong tea flavor.
Yeah, sort of.
Would you buy this again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's pretty good.
Yeah.
No.
Pretty good.
Yeah, so. No, Jennifer,
like
you're
it.
out on this one. Okay. All right. You ready for number 2?
Yep.
All right,
Mine's
number
a
2. Take a number 2.
I
Number
forgot
2.
myself.
Bon appetit.
I think It's
Okay.
kind of
But
different
it
from
tastes
this one.
fresher.
Yeah, there's a different.
No, it's like fresher.
I don't like it.
Oh, these are all using fresh milk, by the way. All using fresh milk, no powder.
It's
Really
not as
interesting.
sweet.
The boba
Okay,
is
so
better-
not as sweet is good for you,
The
but
boba is better in this one.
you like the
The
boba
boba
at
is
number
fun.
2.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about the chewy flavor, the chewy factor on both of them?
The boba has
softer.
a,
Yeah,
This
this
is
is
more
softer.
chewy.
It's softer.
Yeah.
One is chewier than 2.
but this one has better taste to it.
Yeah.
The other one is just like sugar.
All right, you ready for number 3?
Yes.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
This one is milk shop. I don't know.
I actually don't know. I think it's that white and green job. Don't take this man's advice. He thinks.
Do you like it? Is it good?
It's okay.
He says it
Like
tastes like
garlic.
garlic.
It tastes like garlic? Okay, fair enough. Claire, would you buy this again?
I don't know. It's a little bit of kind of different taste.
I like the honey
Bad,
taste.
but wait, bad or good?
I don't like this.
No, this is a no for you. So you would not pick
I
this one.
I would.
Don't like this one, okay? Grace, what do you think?
I don't like it.
Don't like this one either, all right?
But the boba's
Rachel, what
good.
do you think?
I still like the second one better. Me
Second one?
I
Okay,
like
what-
I like
This one, I like the honey taste in it.
I think
Okay,
this
so
one.
there's honey in this one, number 3. Yeah, honey in the taste of the
Boba.
bubbles or the
Bubble. The boba.
Boba.
the boba has honey flavor.
Also,
Okay.
this is sweeter, kind of.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
sweeter. The other one was
Yeah,
less
it's
sweeter.
a little sweeter.
Okay. Are you ready for number 4?
Yeah.
Just hold this on camera. Oh, what is this? This is so.
I can see from the boba and smell.
Whoa.
I can
Oh.
see from it.
Yes.
I can
Tastes
smell.
soft.
I can smell that.
Oh my
Tastes
God.
salty.
Oh, so
I'm
just
done
try it.
with
Just
this.
try it. Just taste it.
This is.
Don't make any
I'm done
predictions
with
yet.
It's so sweet.
It's sweet,
And
okay?
the boba seems like it's falling apart.
There's only one shop that makes this kind of stuff.
Okay, all right. So the
It's not
quality of the
very
bubbles not good,
No.
I don't
The
like
tea
this one.
tastes even worse.
and you don't like the flavor of the
And
tea.
And the bubble is
Perfect.
falling apart.
Really? Is
Yes.
That's bad. Then you don't have to chew it.
Then why do you buy the milk tea?
Duh.
Number one.
Who says that number 1 is the best? Who would pick number 1?
Me.
All right, let's have number 1 people go down there. Jonathan, pass your with you. Okay, one. Number 1 people. Okay, number 2. Anybody? A number 2? Okay, you two are number 2. Number 3. And number 4?
No one.
Nobody.
Low quality, even though I'm drinking it.
Do you guys have a guess at what you picked?
Yes.
Yes.
Number 3. What do you guess is number 3? Which one?
Milk shop.
Milk shop. Okay. Number 2. What's your
Maku.
Maku? Number 1.
No.
And then you realize.
You think it's 50 too?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
no. This is
Now it's
mine.
time to reveal.
Do you want mine?
Number 1.
It's 50.
50 tea. You're right. Number 2.
No.
Oh.
Milk shop. You are milk shop. Number 3. Number 3.
Maku.
Maku.
What?
And number
I
4.
told you
Nobody.
better.
Team Magic Hand. I'll pick Team Magic Hand.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to Maku.
Pretty good. But
50.
did you guys see the price difference? So Team Magic Hand, 45.
That's the cheapest. That one's.
Maku, 55. Milk Shop, I think, is
This one doesn't
60.
extend. Yeah, it's 60.
And I think that one was 50 is 55. All right.
Green tea milk.
That does it for your milk tea review.
are
Ladies on the Street.
And today's question is, what do you think about this ink block? What do you think about this ink block?
It looks like a bird.
Go.
A crab?
I think it kind of looks like, the head of a person.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a very, very confused zebra. The zebra obviously does not know that it's supposed to have stripes, but it instead has this blob on it. The end.
It looks like a crab, a butterfly, a spider, a feather mask, a woman, like two women, a claw, blob, spider, butterfly, spider, crab.
This is not an ink blot. It is an actual picture of the alien from the movie Alien.
And that's it for Ladies on the Street. Back to you.
Well, I think it's Charlie.
Now, where have I heard that before?
Ugh, Victor, do your table thing. We need to interrogate him.
Wait, Victor, how do you do that?
Well, it's actually quite simple.
Okay, Charlie, you're here because I know that you messed with my presentation slides, and maybe even all of our homework as well. So try and please convince us that you are not the homework messer up.
I already told you what happened. I was playing Angry Birds.
I was on the hardest level of Angry Birds, and I was about to beat my high score. And then you went up to do your presentation, and all those memes showed up. And I was laughing so hard you made me lose my game. So I kind of got mad at you. And then you accused me for messing up your slides. That got me even more mad. Even when I showed you my screen, you just couldn't accept the fact that I wasn't the one who did it.
Well, you could have just changed your screen at the last second. What evidence do you have anyway?
He has a schedule for when he uses his phone.
Ellen, how did you know about that?
You make a schedule for when you use your phone?
You see, I have one right
Wait, I have it somewhere.
here. What? Never mind.
Well, that's just sad. I guess it's not Charlie then.
Who is it then?
And that does it for this episode of The Shark Show. Remember to click like and subscribe button and the little bell.
And we'll see you next time.
Yay! Bye! And now Claire, little rat, you can have a little brain. Llama, you can also have a little brain. And we have the skull left. And that is it. Bye.
You guys look awesome. Claire looks like a weasel, and
I guess it's not Charlie then.
Who is it then? I'm out of the light, right?